Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to promote your song or how to blow up your song on TikTok. So if you have been wondering how do people do blow up your song on TikTok, then this video is for you. So I feel like a lot of people kind of think that whenever you release a song, the song is just gonna blow up on TikTok. No, that is not how the industry works. So most of the viral songs you see on TikTok are being controlled by some people out there. So they're the one who determines what song is going viral. So this video, I'm gonna be walking you through how you could literally blow up your song on TikTok. So basically, in order for you to blow up your song on TikTok, you need to make sure people are literally using your sounds on TikTok. And how can you make people to use your sound on TikTok? Start begging people to please, oh, come and use my sound, this and that. No, that is not how you could literally do that. Now, for you to get people to use your sound on TikTok, you need to promote your sound on TikTok. That's when TikTok marketing or TikTok influencer marketing comes in. So basically, I know you might be thinking that, okay, how can I get these people to use my sound on TikTok? So we have various platforms where you could literally get people to use your sound on TikTok. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys one of the best platform ever and one of the best platform I've been using so far, and it has been working for me. So the first thing you need to do right now is to just click on the first link in the video description. So once you click on the first link in the video description, it's going to take you straight to this website. So the website we're going to be using right here to blow up our song on TikTok right here is literally Vibmel. So basically, a lot of you guys know Vibmel to be a music distribution company, but Vibmel is more than just a music distribution company. Vibmel is also a music marketing company. They also handles a lot of publishing and all of that, but I won't be going in depth into that. If you want to learn more about Vibmel, I already created a couple of videos on my channel on Vibmel. So you can see right here that they kind of have a couple of services like Spotify promotion, audio mark promotion, but we won't be going in details in that. I already created a separate video on other services, but the services we're going to be focusing right here is the TikTok campaign. So basically, they have the TikTok ads and the TikTok influencer campaign. So we are going to be focusing on the TikTok influencer campaign. But before we go on, you can see right here that these are a couple of their works right here. You can see they were the one that actually blew up this song right here. You can see this Arike. So this song has about 1.5 million posts. This song is one of the biggest song right here in Nigeria. So I think the song literally blew up 2025 or 2024. So they have promoted a couple of artists, that have blown up a couple of artists right here. So what you're going to do right here is to come over to the website, click on the first link in the video description, come over to the website, then you're going to click on where it says start campaign. So once you click on where it says start campaign, it's going to take you straight to this page. And by the way, guys, if you know you are finding any value from the video so far, please make sure you give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. So basically, you can see right here that I have a couple of packages right here. So you can see right here that this is the TikTok micro influencer campaign. And let me tell you guys, with the experience I've had with music marketing so far, micro influencers are the best campaign you could ever run that could literally blow up your song on TikTok, because the mistake a lot of people do have is to hiring bigger influencer, and I feel like you hiring bigger influencer to promote your song on TikTok might not really give you that conversion rate like micro influencers. So when it comes to micro influencer, they are the best and the best strategies you could use to kickstart your virality on TikTok. So basically on Vibmel, we just 20,000 naira in my currency, that should be about like $14 or so. Like, you could literally get 25 people to use your sound on TikTok. So basically, they have different kind of packages right here. You can see you could literally get 50 posts, which means like 50 people are going to use your sound on TikTok. So if you click on choose plan right here, it's going to take you straight to their pricing. So it's right here with 50,000 naira, you could literally get 50 people to use your sound on TikTok. So one thing you need to keep in mind that more people that use your sound on TikTok, the more the algorithm is gonna start taking your sound seriously. So if the algorithm sees people jumping on your sound right here, then they're gonna start pushing your videos to more and more people. From that, your video is gonna start going viral. And like I said, the more people that uses your sound on TikTok, you are gonna go viral, because you can also start a challenge right here on TikTok. Basically, so you need to do to just pick any plan of your choice right here on Vibmel. So they're gonna be the one to get those influencers to use your song. And basically, you could literally just give these influencers like a challenge, probably like you want them to use a certain hashtag, to trend a certain hashtag right here. So that's how influencer marketing works. So you could just give them the link to your song and also give them the hashtag you want them to trend. So basically these people are going to be the ones singing your song word for word. So the more people who uses your song, the more chances of going viral on TikTok. And like I said, these guys have promoted a couple of viral songs right here. Some of the songs, I feel like you guys may kind of know the song. So you can see right here, Arike was one of the biggest songs in Nigeria. And I think currently right now the song has about 60 million streams on Spotify or so. Let me quickly check. So you can see right here that the song currently has 69 million streams on Spotify alone. So these guys are one of the best music marketing company you could use to promote your song on TikTok. And like I said, they also offer other promotion services like AudioMac, Spotify, depending on whatever services you want. So basically, that's how you could literally promote your song, or that's how you could literally get people to use your sound on TikTok. And I hope you found the video helpful. And if you know it did, please do well to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop out some videos like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified, because my channel is all about walking you through the music business, how to promote your song, music distribution, and a lot of couple things I'm gonna be teaching you right here on my channel. Like I said, if you want to learn more about this promotional service, I'm gonna be leaving a video down in the video description, so you could literally go check out the video.